Hey there, we've got a little shortcut we ran across. I guess some people would call it a hack. When you pull a nail, especially these small finish nails, as they come out, your hammer is pulling it sideways and you bend your nail. Well, that makes it hard to pull. What we figured out is with chainsaw wedges, you don't have to bend the nail. You pull it part way and just slide you pull a bit, slide. There, we got a nice straight nail. I'm going to do another one. Just pull a bit. There, that one lifted right out. We've been pulling nails with this little get up for a day, and it works great. Just pull a bit, slide the wedge. And these are thick wedges that I have here. Got these, you can get them thick or thin. This is a thick one. But, okay, we got those out. I'm going to scoot this up and pull a couple more. There we go. And it makes it easy. You just hook your hammer, and as you pull, you just slack off and slide your wedge. It's really easy. And that way you can reuse your nails without straightening them, and it makes pulling them so much easier. You don't booger up the side of the hole. And that's an easy thing for anybody to do. Just need a chainsaw wedge with your claw hammer.